Alright guys, welcome to today's video, and as you saw in my previous clip, I did break my screen, and this is actually my screen from my iPhone 6 that I just broke. So this was a tester unit, and you know, I gotta admit, the screen was pretty bad, but this screen was one type of break that is very common, just the glass break. Now there are other 5-6 other type of breaks. There's one known as the dead zone break, where the screen might not break from the top, but from the bottom, the digitizer, right, which interprets all your touches, might go bad, which is all part of one screen. So as you can see, this is all one screen and everything. There's another type of break known as the LCD break, and what the LCD break does is that the colors that make up your screen, right, they're liquid, and what happens with the liquid is that it explodes and it starts making different colors and everything. It's a big disaster. Another type of break is literally just a pixel break. So basically, there might be like a dead zone by like the color, right? There might be a blackout on a specific type of place in your screen. But mine was actually a front glass break. So again, like I'm saying, no matter what type of break this is, it's all one piece, as you can see. The screen over here is gonna be different than what's shown in the video, only because I already did the screen repair, and I'm just doing demonstration purposes on how you can take apart your screen and put it on the new one, if you want to do that. Talking about that, this video will serve 4 purposes. For the iPhone 6 screen repair, which is as it is, 6 Plus, which is just a bigger size, same connectors and everything, 6S Plus, and 6S. Now, what's the difference between a 6S and a 6 screen repair? They're both the 6, right? And it's not the case. So with the 6S, there's actually 3 connectors. So they condensed this all down from 4 connectors to 3 connectors, which is also pretty neat. And in the 6S, there's actually a 3D sensor, which you don't have to transfer over though, the 3D touch, but it's just in the new screen too. But there's no major difference. If your question is going on right now, can the 6 screen go on the 6S and can the 6S screen go on the 6? That's not gonna happen, guys. They're 2 totally different screens with different hardwares and different connectors. Also, now the point comes on to what I was talking about earlier. The screen's different because this has no home button. Number 1, with the home button, you have Touch ID. Now, coming from factory, Touch ID is a little embedded sensor in your home button, which lets you go into your phone without, you know, putting in your password all the time. It's a good convenience, but it's only for your phone. So what I mean by that is that if you get another Touch ID sensor, let's just say from Amazon or eBay, right? Like a home button, it's not that expensive, but if you do pop it on and you do try to put it onto your phone, right, it's not gonna work because your specific Touch ID sensor is embedded for your motherboard. There might be some kind of security reasons why Apple's doing it, but other than that, I have no further information on that. Another thing with this screen is that it does not have the earpiece and front-facing cameras. As you can see over here, this camera is hollow. So basically, it's a transferable piece. If you just want to buy it outright, or like if your earpiece isn't working or if your camera's not working, it might be like a $25 to $15 item. I mean, I wouldn't pay that. If mine's working, fine. But if you want to do that, go ahead. Might as well service your phone while you're at it. But yeah, other than that, this is all just one piece. On the back, there's a little transfer for your Touch ID sensor, which does carry over some heat diffusing. Now I gotta warn you, the phone that I'm using for the video, this is iPhone 6, and I did break the screen on that. But I don't know where, I don't remember where I bought it from, and wherever I bought it from, it has been repaired before. So basically, I saw missing plates in that phone, I saw missing screws in that phone, and really all the hardware in that phone wasn't that good. So, I mean, I'm gonna be working a lot on that phone lately. But again, it does have iOS 12 in it, so I guess it's a win. But since it's on an older device, I don't think it can do much. Talking about iOS 12, my next video for iOS 12 will be releasing soon. So if you guys want to take a look at that, just hit that bell right there and hit the subscribe button for my latest videos. Also, what you can do is add me on Instagram, so follow me over there at smartdp, right? 2 R's and 2 T's. It's right over here, by the way, so you guys don't miss it. And guys, let's get into the screen repair. Hey, catch this. Alright guys, that was my video, and I hope it did help you out. I forgot to say this in the beginning, but don't try this at home, guys. Unless you have magnetic screws or something like that. In this video, I was using really bad screws because I didn't have them on the spot, and actually some stuff went down. But again, make sure you have magnetic screws so you can just pluck it and it comes right out, and that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys get a tempered glass after watching this video and repairing your screen, because it might be a $30 investment, but it's going to save you hundreds of dollars. And trust me, it's a good investment. There are two types of glasses. There's regular glass, which just covers a portion of your screen, and there's a 4D or 5D glass, which covers the whole screen. I recommend getting the 5D glass. It's stronger, and if you don't want to use a case that often, it's like the better option for you guys. Anyways guys, don't try this at home unless you have magnetic screws, like I'm saying again and again and again. And if you guys want tempered glasses, links down below, so if you want to purchase them. And that's pretty much it, guys.